Good evening students, welcome to Ramos Edu Up. Today I will explain 10th class mathematics formative 1 assessment important problems. Good evening students, today I will explain 10th class సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ టెస్ట్ సంబంధించిన 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కొన్ని మోడల్స్ అనేవి మీకు చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్లీజ్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ద యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఓకే, ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఫస్ట్ వన్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ zeros of the polynomial two x minus 1 is plus, for example, the polynomial is 2x minus 1 where the degree of the polynomial is 1. The degree of the polynomial 1, then the polynomial is known as 2x minus 1 is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. 2x minus 1 is a linear polynomial. The linear polynomial having 1 0, only 1 0. Only 1 0. 2x minus 1, the polynomial number of zeros is 1 0. That the 0 is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. The 2x equal to 1 minus becomes to plus, then x equal to 1 by 2. 0 is 1 by 2. The solution is 1 by 2 comma 0. But answer matram number of zeros of the polynomial 2x minus 1. That is a linear polynomial having 1 0 only. 1 0. Having 1 0. Only 1 0. Next objects. If 5 is a zero of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial kx minus 10, find the value of fk. Find the value of k. దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? 5 అనేది kx minus 1కి వన్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరో. దట్ మీన్ ఈక్వల్ జీరో చేయాలి, పాలినామియల్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో చేయాలి. అంటే లైక్ p ఆఫ్ x ఈక్వల్ టు kx minus 10. p ఆఫ్ 5 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 because 5 is the zero of the polynomial. 5 is the zero of the polynomial. K into x mean 5 minus 10 equal to 0. 5k minus becomes to plus. 5k equal to 10. Then k equal to into becomes to divided. 10 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. K equal to 2. The value of k is 2. Next, the value of k is 2. Next, third one, third question. If 5x plus py plus 8 equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y plus 12 equal to 0 has no solutions. Has no solutions. No solution. Find p. p ని ఫైండ్ చేయమన్నాడు. The linear equation in two variables, the pair of linear equation two variables two variable, it has a no solutions. The no solutions mean these lines are parallel lines, inconsistent lines. Parallel lines, inconsistent lines. The inconsistent lines, their condition must be A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. A1 is a 5, A2, A1 5, A2 10, B1 P, B2 15, C1 8, C2 12. Substitute చేద్దాం ఇందులో ఇలా 5 by 10 equal to P by 15. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ తీసుకుంటే 10 into P, 10P equal to 5 15s are 75. Then P is equal to 75 by 10. That equal to 7.5. Value of P is 7.5. Next one, (7.5). Next one, fourth one. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product zeros are 1 by 4 and minus 1 by minus 1. Please listen. In find చేయమన్నాడు quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros. Whose sum, that means alpha plus beta, is 1 by 4. Product alpha beta equal to minus 1. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, k into x square minus alpha plus beta 1 by 4. Substitute చేసుకోవాలి 1 by 4 into x plus minus 1 plus and minus k into x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. LCM 4 తీసుకుని 1 కి 4 కి LCM ఏంటి 4 1 table 4 how many times cancel 4 times 4 into x 4x square minus 4 table 4 how many times cancel 1 time 1 into x 1x minus 1 table 4 how many times cancel 4 times 4 into 1 4 into k is any real number. Let k equal to 4 into 4x square minus 1x minus 4 by 4 cancel. The 4x square minus x minus 4 is required quadratic equation. Find fifth one. Find SCF of 2025 and 2026. మనకి ఏమడిగాడంటే ఎస్సిఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేయమన్నాడు 2025 2026 అనే 2 నెంబర్స్కి ఎస్సిఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేయమంటే దీస్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్స్ బట్ వరుస సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పుకుందాం. దేర్ ఎస్సిఎఫ్ ఈజ్ 1. No common factor except 1. Then the numbers are known as co-prime numbers. SF is 1. Sixth one. Find HCF of 7 and 10. 7 and 10 are also co-prime numbers, no common factors. 7 and 10 are co-prime numbers, co-primes. There is HCF also, highest common factor, also 1. There is HCF also 1. Next, 7th one, if 2 is 0, 0 of P of x, polynomial of x is x cube minus kx plus 6. Find k, value of k. అంటే ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, ఈ పాలినామియల్ ఇచ్చాడు, క్యూబిక్ పాలినామియల్ x cube minus kx plus 6. 2 is 0. సేమ్ వే ఇంతకుముందు మనం చెప్పుకున్నాగే p of x equal to x cube minus kx plus 6. p of 2 equal to 0. ఎందుకంటే 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Because 2 is 0 of the polynomial, to substitute 2 cube minus k into 2 plus 6 equal to 0. 2 cube mean 8 minus 2k plus 6 equal to 0. 8 plus 6 14 minus 2k plus 14 equal to 0. Plus becomes to minus. Minus 2k equal to minus 14. Both side minus cancel చేద్దాం. Into becomes to divide. K equal to 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. K equal to 7. The value of K is 7. The value of K is 7. Thank you so much for everyone. Your support is very well. Very thanks for you watching the videos. Please subscribe Ramos Edu Up channel.